Well, I just fired this thing up, gave it a test run. I'll get it out this week, hopefully, and get it in some wood. But you can see it's oiling pretty good. I wanted to check the oiler. I checked over all the loose fittings, I should say, fasteners. There was none. The only thing I found was under the cover. The chain buffer on the side plate there was on backwards. I had to flip it upside down so it didn't catch the chain. It was the only problem I found. That muffler sounds good. Almost sounds like a ported one. So far, so good. I had to retune it. It was only turning a little over 10,000. It is now turning 12.2. I'll leave it there till it's broken, and maybe I'll turn it up to 12.5 and peace out. I got it set for 12.2 right now.